How hard do you want me to turn? Really hard?
No.
Oh, relax.
I got up this morning.
Aching? Partying too much last night? See, now if only you did that twice a week, how are you gonna feel?
I'd probably be better than
I know, right?
once.
Hands on your head, touch, lean back. Feel pop?
Yes, sir. Good.
Good,
Oh,
all right.
amazing.
All right, now I need a chiropractor.